Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
A lot of upgrades since the last time you set in here.
So what's your name real quick and what else in here?
John Clark. I have two ZVX 15s on a SFP 5K. I got 300 amp JS alternator, 5100 excess power up front, and two D3100s in the rear.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good. And what was your amp wired to?
I'm sorry?
What was the amp at?
It's wired to 1 ohm.
1 ohm. All right. Have you metered it yet?
It does. So I have a different port that I put in for whenever I do burps.
Yeah.
It turns it to like 39, 40 hertz.
Yeah.
It does a 151.
Awesome. Okay.
So.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.